Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can open a Canva document in your Word document. So you're just going to export your file as, select download first, and you're going to export it as a PDF or even a document here. Or you can, I'm just going to select document, select download. Then you'll be able to open it in your Word. My Word is not working right now, so I can't show you. But you can either download it as like a Word file or a PDF. Let me try it actually. Oh, never mind, it works. You can enable editing and edit it here, but that is how you can open a Canva document in Word. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.